Hi, this is Owlcroft Designs, and I'm here to show you how to do Intarsia in the round for my Build Your Own Barnyard Skirt. Now, typical instructional videos for Intarsia in the round will actually instruct you on how to do Intarsia flat, the typical way, but to do a wrap and turn so that you are constructing in the round, so that you get that tube. However, I'm going to show you how to do typical stranded in the round color work, but to do the color work in Intarsia method using the floats. I haven't seen any other instructional videos using this method, so I certainly don't think I invented it, but I haven't seen any other instructional videos, which is why I'm making this video. This is going to be part 1 of 2, and I'm going to show you the concept behind it, and in part 2 I'll show you the actual example. So here, if you were going to be doing this cute little dog in black on these rows, you're not going to want to be carrying the black all the way around the skirt. So you're just going to want to use the black for this section. Same thing for this brown sheep, same thing for this gray sheep. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So how do you do that? Let me move the skirt. So normally in Intarsia, again, you're going to be knitting right to left in the round, bring it around, right to left, bring it around, right to left, bring it around. Now, in Intarsia in the round, you are dropping this brown, and you're not going to be using brown anywhere else in the skirt. So what do you do when you come back to this point on the second row, but the working yarn is coming from this side? Well, what you do is you bring the float around, you lock it in, and then you knit with the float. Then you lock it in and continue through, come around. Then you've got the regular working yarn on this side, knit typically, knit around, and now the working yarn is here. Bring the float back, again lock it in, knit with the float, lock it in, come around, etc., etc. Okay, so the dotted lines are where you knit with the float. The solid lines are where you're knitting with the regular working yarn. Okay, so let's go to part 2 and I'll show you how to do that.